back to my YouTube channel. Um, for today's video, I have prepared something for you to learn. Let's learn basic Arabic words that you can use, or maybe you can. It would be helpful for you if you are planning to come here in Middle East. So, without any do further, let's begin. So, let's count 1 to 10 in Arabic. 1 واحد 2 اثنين 3 ثلاثة 4 أربعة 5 خمسة 6 ستة 7 سبعة 8 ثمانية 9 تسعة 10 عشرة. So that's how they count in Arabic. And now let's start with some. I have prepared some fruits and vegetables here. So they call carrot in Arabic as jasar. Jasar. Chili, فلفل. Cucumber, kiyar. Onion leeks, they call it in Arabic as basal akdar. Akdar means color green. And this one is jute in English, or saluyot in Tagalog, and they call it in Arabic as malukia. And this one, they call it gerger. This is the gerger. And they eat like this. You just have to wash it, and they can eat it raw. And this one is onion, or onion basal hag tabak, and it means onion for cooking. This one, tomato. And this garlic, in Arabic toom. So once this one, banana, in Arabic mos or mosa. Grapes, inab. Watermelon, habhab. That's all, and thank you for watching. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button below, followed by the notification bell, so that you may be notified for every videos that I make. Thank you so much.